Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check for available software updates on your XIAOMI TV Box 3S. First of all, navigate to the gear icon on your toolbar to open Quick Settings, then select gear icon once again to open All Settings menu, and then scroll down to the System menu, select About section and click System Update. And then let your device check for available updates. So just hit check for update button, and if your system is up to date, you'll be notified. If you have an update to download, your device will proceed to download and install the update and then will restart. Besides, if you cannot check for updates, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. So in the Quick Settings menu, select Wi-Fi and see if your device has internet connection. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.